Clíodhna, a powerful fairy queen and goddess, holds a mysterious and tragic place in Celtic myth. How well do you know her story? What type of being is Clíodhna? What animal is linked to Clíodhna? Where is Clíodhna's main domain? How did Clíodhna fall asleep? What caused Clíodhna's death? Which Irish county is tied to Clíodhna? What was Clíodhna known for? Who tricked Clíodhna into falling asleep? What did Clíodhna's lover seek? What role does Clíodhna hold in folklore? Which Irish fortress is named for Clíodhna? Who was Clíodhna's lover? How did Clíodhna leave the Otherworld? What was Clíodhna's greatest power? Which Irish bay is named after Clíodhna? What fate befell Clíodhna? From love to loss, Clíodhna's legend reminds us of the power of fate and enchantment. How well did you uncover her story? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more mythological stories and quizzes from Broken Sword Gaming.